Kabo, welcome to another week of Learn Yoruba with me, week 4, episode 4. Today we will learn about Ebi or family in Yoruba. Ebi is family in Yoruba. Let's get started. Parents in Yoruba is Obi, Obi. Father is Baba, mother is Mama or Iya, or we just usually say daddy or mommy. Wife in Yoruba is Iyawo, husband is Oko, Iyawo, Oko, Iyawo, Oko. Elder sibling in Yoruba is Egbo, Egbo, and a younger sibling is Aburo. Doesn't matter if you're a male or female, Egbo and Aburo. Child is Omo and girl is Arabiri. So a daughter in Yoruba is Omobiri. Child again is Omo and boy is Arakuri. So son is Omokuri. Grandma is Mama Mama and grandpa is Baba Baba, but we usually just say grandma, grandpa. That, in conclusion, is our video for today. It's very short, but practice this and practice calling your Ebi in Yoruba. Odabo, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you and bye.